What is DNA, you ask? Well, imagine a tiny instruction manual hidden inside every single one of your cells. That's DNA. It's a complex molecule that carries all the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. It's like a recipe book, but instead of cookies, it holds the instructions for building you. Every single trait, from your hair color to your ability to roll your tongue, is encoded in this magnificent molecule. From the color of your eyes to your height, it's all coded in this amazing molecule. Even your susceptibility to certain diseases and your unique fingerprints are part of this genetic blueprint. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a long molecule made up of units called nucleotides, which are the building blocks of life. Don't worry too much about the big words. What's important is understanding that DNA is the fundamental code that makes each of us unique. What matters is that this molecule carries the genetic information that makes you, you. It's like a personal instruction manual that guides your development from a single cell to a fully grown individual. It's the secret code that determines your traits and characteristics. This code is passed down from generation to generation, ensuring the continuity of life. Think of it as the blueprint of life itself. Without DNA, the intricate and diverse tapestry of life as we know it would not exist. Now let's zoom in and explore this incredible molecule. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint of life. It carries the genetic instructions used in the growth, development, functioning, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. DNA looks like a twisted ladder, a shape we call a double helix. This unique structure allows it to store vast amounts of information in a very compact space. It's made up of two long strands connected by rungs. These strands are composed of simpler molecules called nucleotides, which are the building blocks of DNA. These rungs are made of special chemicals called bases, and there are 4 types: adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. Each base has a specific partner that it pairs with. These bases always pair up in a specific way, A with T and G with C. This pairing is crucial for the DNA's ability to replicate and function properly. Think of them as puzzle pieces that only fit together in a certain way. This precise pairing ensures that the genetic information is accurately copied during cell division. The order of these base pairs is what makes your DNA unique. This sequence determines the genetic instructions that are passed from one generation to the next. It's like a language that spells out the instructions for building and running your body. Each sequence of bases forms a gene, which is a set of instructions for making a specific protein that your body needs to function. Now let's talk genes. Genes are like specific chapters in the DNA instruction manual. They're sections of DNA that contain the instructions for building specific proteins. Proteins are the workhorses of your cells, doing all sorts of important jobs like carrying oxygen, fighting off infections, and even digesting your food. Each gene codes for a particular protein, and these proteins work together to create your traits. Think of it like this. If DNA is the recipe book, then genes are the individual recipes, and proteins are the delicious dishes that result. Section 4. Passing the torch, DNA and inheritance. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for life. It is the blueprint that determines everything from the color of your eyes to the shape of your nose. Have you ever wondered why you have your mom's eyes, or why your smile looks just like hers? Or perhaps you've noticed that you share your dad's hair color, or even his dimples when you smile? That's because of DNA inheritance. This fascinating process is what makes you a unique combination of your parents. You inherit half of your DNA from your mother, which includes traits like her eye color, hair texture, and even certain personality traits. And the other half comes from your father, contributing to your overall genetic makeup with his characteristics. It's like getting a mix of their instruction manuals, each contributing different chapters to the book that is you. This combination creates your own unique set of instructions, making you one of a kind. This passing down of DNA is why families share similar traits like a grandmother's laugh or a grandfather's knack for storytelling. It's the reason behind the amazing diversity we see in the world. Each person is a unique blend of their ancestors. From eye color to height, and even to the way we laugh, DNA acts as a bridge between generations, linking us to our past and guiding the future, carrying traits from parents to their offspring, ensuring that the legacy of our ancestors lives on in us. Section 5. DNA, the engine of evolution and medical marvel. DNA's story doesn't end there, it's also the engine of evolution. Over millions of years, small changes in DNA called mutations can lead to new traits. Some of these traits might help an organism survive and reproduce better, passing those changes to their offspring. And guess what? Understanding DNA is revolutionizing medicine. Scientists are using DNA to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and even edit genes to cure genetic disorders. It's like having the power to rewrite the code of life itself.